How to turn on encrypted messaging on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8. Scroll down and tap Messages. Now look for iMessage and make sure the switch is turned on. Once iMessage is enabled, messages sent between Apple devices using iMessage are protected with end-to-end encryption. To check that you're using iMessage, open the Messages app and start a conversation with another iPhone user. If the message box and sent messages appear in blue, you're using iMessage. If the messages appear in green, they're being sent as SMS, MMS, or another non-iMessage format, which doesn't have the same end-to-end encryption provided by iMessage. And that's how you can enable encrypted iMessage conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.